How does lightning actually work, and where does it come from? This natural spectacle is more than just a bright flash. It's a powerful electrical event that can reveal surprising secrets about our atmosphere. Lightning starts inside storm clouds when strong winds cause ice particles to collide and create static electricity. This process separates positive and negative charges, building an electrical field. When the difference between these charges becomes too great, a sudden discharge happens, creating lightning. This discharge can travel between clouds within a cloud or from cloud to the ground. When the electric field is strong enough, lightning jumps as a bolt of electricity. It can reach temperatures of about 30,000 Kelvin, 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. This rapid heating causes air to expand explosively, producing the thunder sound you hear. The lightning bolt itself is a visible path of ionized air called plasma. Though lightning starts inside storm clouds, it often travels downward toward the ground. It follows the path of least resistance, such as tall objects or wet surfaces. This is why lightning frequently strikes trees, buildings, or even people. The entire process happens in just a fraction of a second, yet it carries massive energy capable of causing fires or power outages. Lightning is a stunning electrical phenomenon born from charge buildup high in storm clouds. Its powerful strikes heat the air and create thunder in an instant. Next time you see a flash in the sky, remember the incredible science behind it. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.